Minasan konnichiwa, yokoso to this review of the Tamiya I-16 and I-58 waterline series submarines. On the reverse side of the packet is a great little colour guide for the two powerful submarines of the Imperial Japanese World War II Navy. As usual with kit set submarines, there are few parts. They are packaged in one bag and essentially on one sprue. They're crisp, clear, well moulded. The second bag is essentially only there because of the decals. One or two decals are required for the two submarines, mainly the aircraft on one of them. The rest of it is purely for diorama purposes. Nihongo o jouzu desu ka? Yes, as usual, Tamiya provide the history of the kits in Japanese. You can certainly brush up your skills there. Shikashi, e wa wakari yasui. However, the pictures are easy to understand and you'll be able to make the kit without any difficulty. However, if you do have difficulty, there is a friendly person you can call in Japan. Those two telephone numbers, I'm sure somebody there will be able to assist you. Shinpai shinai de kudasai. There are also instructions in English. Both waterline kits come up well at around 15 centimeters in length. The I-58 was an Otsu-type reconnaissance submarine carrying two E-14 reconnaissance planes and able to fire 8 torpedoes forward. She weighed 2,000 tons and sank the Indianapolis at the end of World War II. The I-16 Hay-type submarine was used for attack purposes and known as one of the most potent submarines in the world. It sank HMS Ramilles in a harbour in the Indian Ocean in World War II, and she displaced 2,184 tons. Also carried on the back was one of the Kohyoteki type mini submarines, which carried itself 2 torpedoes and could reload on the submarine. Instead of returning to their home ports, the submarines would often rendezvous with a submarine depot ship, and here they are with the famous Heian Maru, a floating submarine base. Mite kurete arigatou gozaimashita. Thanks for watching.